my God. That looks crazy. I cannot wait to see this thing in the sun. Welcome back. It is Jacob from It's Leather Weather. Putting the Dyna back together, piece by piece. We're slowly getting there. Today I'm probably just going to be trying to get the tank back together. I'm waiting to fully put the tins all back on because I want a PPF part of the tank. Well, I can do that later, but the tank's a whole big process. So I want to PPF the tank, and I want to PPF the rear fender and get the sides of it protected, so that way that it's not getting destroyed when I uninstall and install my hard mount bags, and they're getting destroyed on these pieces right here. Yeah, super scratchy in there, and I want to put some PPF on it to hopefully reduce some of that scratching. And I'm sure a lot of it's unavoidable, but let's see, what's the temperature in here? Like 50, 55 degrees, and it still feels somewhat warm, but I've got my heater going because I'm cold. So primary's back together finally, thank God. I've been waiting a long time to do that. But let's get started with reassembling my gas tank. Oh, I'm kind of excited to go back to OEM. I used to have the flush mount black ones, and I like the chrome. I dig the chrome. I kind of like that it's like raised and not flush anymore. I mean, paint matching that would have been sweet, but I have no idea how it would have done the screen at all. Plus, it also bothered me that this wasn't orange and it was like lighting up blue while this lit up orange. I don't know, it's just stupid things like that. That bothered me. But, so yeah, send the wiring through and kind of click it into place. Little T20. Ooh, that's good for it. All right. Move it, Sportster. Get out of my way. Oh my God. Damn, that looks crazy. Damn! Oh yeah, I cannot wait to see this thing in the sun. It's gonna be so cool. Oh my God. All right, well, I lost the connector for this, so that's awesome. So I'll just wait on that guy. This hose is trashed too, so we'll just work on plugging some stuff in. Well, I lost that guy too. Can't seem to find that literally anywhere, and I've cleaned this garage 100 times. Well, that's probably how I lost it, but I've cleaned this garage 100 times, and I haven't seen it in a very long time. It was over here, and now it's not, so who knows where it went. It may have rolled back somewhere or something, but I don't really care to find out. No way, I didn't lose it. I put it where it was supposed to go. Attached to everything else. Sweet. Goes to here. This harness goes to here. This guy unthreads. Throw this battery box in now. stay out of place. Alright, so I just realized that if I want to do my cam kit to my bike, like I have sitting in my room right now, I'll need to have the battery box removed anyways. Because I need to be able to access this bolt to be able to remove the exhaust, and the battery box sits like right here, making that like near impossible. So, to be continued another day. Maybe the next time I'll be doing my front fender and pulling the front wheel off, I hope. So I'll see you another day.